if you want to add fingerprint into the OnePlus Nord CE5, just start by opening Settings, next scroll down for Security and Privacy and go for Device Unlock. Over here select Fingerprint, go for the fingerprint. Now click Agree for Statement of Use. Input your current screen lock. If you don't have one, you will have to create it right now. And as you can see, we have to click to add now and just put your finger on this sensor like this. When you see this animation, you will have to lift your finger and put it back. So you have to just follow this on-screen animation. Lift your finger, make sure that you scan the right part, left part, top, bottom, and the middle part of your finger to easily unlock your phone. As you can see, it's actually quite simple. Just go until we fulfill that animation with the blue color. There we go. And as you can see, now we can even add another fingerprint by clicking here. So we'll scan another finger, or we can click done and it will be finished. Thanks for watching.